Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete your AutoDS account and cancel your subscription. First things first, open any preferred browser on your computer and search for AutoDS. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Once you are on the home page, look for the settings icon at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on it. This will take you to your account settings page. Now, access the Accounts and Billing tab from the top menu and your current plan will be displayed. Here, click on the Cancel Account button at the bottom of the page and a new pop-up will appear asking you to choose a reason for the cancellation. Simply select your reason and provide a description if needed. Once you are done, click on the Next button and continue along the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.